Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to be back. Life has been a little bit crazy. All this stuff happened and then I kind of just got lazy, so you know. Yeah. But I'm back now. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look today. For nothing special really, I just felt like being extra. So this is what I came up with and I hope you guys like it. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm going to go ahead and start off this look with a bare face. I'm going to go ahead and prime with my Fenty Beauty primer. And I usually now that that's fully blended and I look like I don't have any lips or eyelids, I'm going to go in with my NARS Cream Concealer in the shade Macadamia, just to do, I use my concealer to really like kind of highlight my face and of course conceal a few things like my dark under eyes. And sorry about all the like looking to the side and looking down. I'm standing right now and my mirror's to the side of the camera. Okay, and now that that's all blended out, I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Okay, and as you guys can see, I really only bake like the bottom part of my jawline just so when I bronze it can be extra defined. Everything else I just push in, more like setting my face rather than baking my face. And now to go in with my eyebrows, I'm going to use the INSTA.
Hello darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk.
Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in the shade Chocolate. Okay, and skipping back to how I was baking, I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush. I don't really know what to call that, a blush brush. And just dust that off. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and skip back to my eyes. Okay, this is the look I'm going for today. And I'll go ahead and show you guys how I did this on this eye. Okay, using the 35B palette from Morphe, I'm going to go in with this yellow color. And really just focusing in on the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with this orange color right here. And without cleaning out the brush, I want to make sure I blend any harsh lines between the yellow and the orange. going in with this color right here. And switching over to the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place, I'm going to go in with this one just to deepen that outer corner a little bit more. Going in with the Stella Magnificent Metals in the shade Smoldering Satin. Now going in with some Spare foundation, I'm going to go ahead and clean up all the excess eyeshadow. Okay, I went ahead and went off camera to do my lashes, but now I'm going to go in with the Jezebel and the Nubian 2 palette for my waterline, or not really my waterline, really my under eye. Okay, now to just, wrap up my face, I'm going to go in with my bronzer, my blush, and my highlight. Today's blush is going to be the Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in the shade, I don't know, it's rubbed off, but I'll put it in the description below. And as my blush, it's a hot mess right now, so I'm going to just show you the back, is my BH Cosmetics Duo Cheek Color in the shade Fiji Fun. And I'm a super, blush fiend for my nose, so don't mind me, you don't have to do it. I like it, so I do it. And my highlight for this look is going to be from the Palm in the shade No Money, No Honey. And for my lipstick, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Melted Lipstick in the shade Chocolate Honey. And just to be extra, I think I'm going to put some of the Stella Magnificent Metals somewhere on my lips. Probably just spot it in the middle. And that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I had a lot of fun doing this. It was definitely something I know I've never like posted on the channel. I've attempted before and failed, but I actually really like this look. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Yeah.